Well, it makes things a whole lot easier. Primarily, we don't have to keep up with all of the paper that we in the past had to keep up with. We don't have to worry about bringing a piece of paper to our billing company and having that sent to the insurance company. It decreases the time that was spent for billing purposes, as well as just maintaining the data. Rather than having a filing cabinet full of papers, we have a file, an electronic file of information that can be utilized.
The inspiration for creating Anesthesia OS was to provide a way where we can actually do cases. And the moment I'm done with my case and I say complete, it's at my billing company. Now, a process that took 10 days is down to 2 days. Now I don't have any issues of lost records, and I'm able to provide better quality of care at that moment.